Welcome to our geometry series. Today we are exploring point symmetry. Have you ever noticed figures that look exactly the same when you turn them upside down? That is the core concept we will be discussing today. How a 180-degree rotation can create a perfect match. So, what exactly is point symmetry? A figure has point symmetry if it maps onto itself after a rotation of 180 degrees. This means if you rotate the object half a circle around a specific center point, it looks identical to its original position. It is sometimes also referred to as origin symmetry or rotational symmetry of order 2. To visualize this, imagine taking a pin and sticking it right in the center of an image. If you were to spin that image halfway around, or 180 degrees, would it look different? If the figure has point symmetry, the start position and the rotated position will be indistinguishable. The point you rotate around is called the center of symmetry. A key property is that every point on the figure has a matching point on the direct opposite side at the exact same distance from the center. If you draw a line from any point P through the center, O, you will hit a matching point P' on the other side. We can see point symmetry in the alphabet. Look at the letters H, I, N, S, X, Z, and O. If you were to take any of these letters and turn your screen upside down, they would still read as the same letter. The letter N is a classic example. Flip it over, and it is still an N. Many standard geometric shapes possess this property. A circle obviously has point symmetry, so do squares, rectangles, rhombuses, and regular hexagons. A parallelogram is another great example. Even though it doesn't have a line of symmetry, it does have point symmetry because a half-turn maps it onto itself. It is important not to confuse point symmetry with line symmetry. Line symmetry is like a mirror reflection. If you fold the shape, the halves match. Point symmetry is about rotation. A shape like a butterfly has line symmetry but not point symmetry. A playing card usually has point symmetry, but often lacks line symmetry. The easiest way to check for point symmetry is the upside-down test. Simply look at the object, then turn it 180 degrees. Does it look the same? If yes, it has point symmetry. It is a simple and effective way to identify this property instantly. In coordinate geometry, if a figure is symmetric about the origin, 0, 0, there is a simple rule. For every point with coordinates x and y, there must be a corresponding point at negative x and negative y. This means 4, 3 would have a matching point at -4. You see point symmetry in the real world all the time. Playing cards, like kings and queens, are designed this way so they look right regardless of how you hold them. Many corporate logos use this balance. Even in nature, certain flowers exhibit this rotational symmetry. Let's summarize what we have learned. Point symmetry is a match created by a 180-degree rotation. It requires a center point where every coordinate x, y has a partner at negative x. Negative y, remember the upside-down test, and you will always be able to spot it. Thank you for watching this overview of point symmetry. Next time you see a shape or a logo, try turning it upside down in your mind to see if it matches. Don't forget to practice with different shapes to master this concept.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.